Paragliding trainer summoned by police headquarters. Guest house where terrorist stayed not registered. No C form, no record. Former Zyga project director Vajasundar to remain in jail. Court rejects plea. High Court to hear crime branch's plea challenging anticipatory bail to Digambar. Pradesh Mahila Congress hits streets to protest onion price hike. Takes out Morcha in capital city. Demand government's market intervention. OBCs now target 27% reservation for state assembly. Bandari Samaj welcomes 27% reservation to OBC in municipal polls. Demands survey of tenancy lands. And Hero Indian Super League Season 2 opening ceremony tickets to go on sale online. Mega Festival starts to ISL on 3rd October in Chennai. Anti-terror squad has taken paragliding trainer into custody and interrogated him for long hours. He has been summoned before the police headquarters today. Prudence investigation has revealed that trainer Narendra Raman has no formal training of paragliding, nor is he certified or affiliated to any paragliding association. Raman also doesn't have any license. On the other side, Perne Police or Keri Panchayat has no information about stay of the terrorist Syed Ismail Afaq. Moreover, the Red House where the Indian Mujahideen terrorist stayed is not registered with the Keri Panchayat. Even C forms are not filled. Watch Prudence impact.
Finally, the ATS brought paragliding trainer Narendra Raman to Goa. He was interrogated for long hours. During the interrogation, it was known that Narendra Raman did not have any formal training of paragliding. He does not have any certificate and is not affiliated to any paragliding association. He also said that he provided training to Syed Ismail Afaq like he gives training to any other person. His training was unintentional and unknowingly. Terrorist Syed Ismail Afaq is an Indian Mujahideen terrorist. He travelled from Bangalore and camped in Goa for 5 days for paragliding training in November 2013. Surprisingly, Goa Police, Anti-Terrorist Squad and Intelligence Bureau did not have any clue about the terrorist. After Prudence expose, all investigating agencies swung into action. Now, Prudent investigation has exposed how the police and locals are allowing tourists to stay in their guest houses without proper information or verification. Here are some more startling facts. Narendra Raman trained Indian Mujahideen terrorist Syed Ismail Afaq. Every year, trainer Narendra Raman comes down to Goa with his team from Bangalore. Another couple provides training with Raman. Raman was staying at a guest house named Red House at Keri. Police and Panchayat does not have C form of trainer Raman and his team. Red House is not registered with Keri Terakol Panchayat. Only 6 guest houses are registered with Keri Terakol Panchayat. However, there are nearly 20 to 30 guest houses in Keri. The tourists come and stay in these houses on rent. But the guest houses are not registered with the local police or the Panchayat. The trainer Raman lived in Red House, but the guest house is illegal and is not registered with the Panchayat.
केरी तेरेखोल ग्रामपंचायतीत जो टुरिझम बेल्ट असल्यामुळे सर खूपशे लोक आपली घरा टुरिस्टाक भाड्याक घेतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे कोण आयलो कोण रावलो हे आमकां जो कल्पना येना ना. तेका लागून लोकांनी आता आमच्या माहिती प्रमाणे आमच्या पंचायतीत रजिस्टर केले असे फक्त 6 ते 7 घरा टुरिझमा खातीर दितात म्हणून हे आमच्या खातीर फक्त 6 ते 7 घरा रजिस्टर केली आहात.
Prudent reporter visited Arambol outpost to know about the C form submission to the local panchayat. It was known that the owner of the Red House only submitted C form of 2 Russian tourists and 1 British tourist. No C form of Narendra Raman and his team was being submitted ever by the Red House owner.
म्हाका सांग ही खाडाखोड कित्याक केल्या तेंच्यांनी तेचेर ना हेचेर खाडाखोड केल्या ते ते खाडाखोड दिसना ना हय हय ते रेड हावस म्हणटा ते हांगासर तो पॅराग्लायडींग वालो रावतालो हय.
As per rule, any house or guest house owner has to submit C form of the tourist staying on rent. It is known that many owners of the guest houses in coastal belt are giving tourists to stay on rent without following proper rules and regulations. Earlier, Batlu, Headley and Yasin Bhatkal stayed in Goa. 3 terrorists had been in Goa. Now Syed Ismail Afaq, another terrorist, stayed in Goa and got paragliding training. But the authorities seems to have not learned their lessons. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Former Zyka project director Anand Vachasundar's bail order verdict is out. He will remain in jail. Vachasundar had contended that Churchill and Digambar are seasoned politicians and they do not need a person like him to facilitate bribery deals. He is ready to stay outside state if court permits him to do so. But the special court on Thursday morning rejected his review plea for a bail. Meanwhile, High Court will hear today Crime Branch's plea challenging anticipatory bail granted to former CM Digambar Kamath.
Former Zyka project director Anand Vachasundar's bail has been rejected. Crime Branch on Tuesday had opposed the bail of Vachasundar and contended that it can't be ruled out that Vachasundar was also a beneficiary of the bribe money as analysis of some crucial documents is underway. Meanwhile, High Court will hear Crime Branch's application challenging anticipatory bail granted to Digambar Kamath today. Prosecution and defense will argue on the merits of the case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Members of Pradesh Mahila Congress took out morcha in capital city against the rise in onion prices. They have demanded that festive season is round the corner and government should take some steps to curtail onion prices. Congress has now demanded government's market intervention, demanding controlling of price hike. They took out morcha from Azad Maidan to the Congress house.
आज आम्ही पळयता बाजारांत सगळ्या कडधान्याचे रेट वाडलेले आसा. आता हो श्रावण म्हयनो चालू आसा, लोकांचे रिलिजियस फंक्शन्स असतात, पूण दाळ जर बाजारांत घेतलो जाल्यार आज 180 रुपया किलो आसा. आज सामान्य आणि गरीब मनशाक आज डे टू डेचे जेवण सुद्धा परवडना अशें जालां. ताका सामान्य जनतेचे कांयच पडून गेले ना. आमकां आज अशें दिसता की लोक हांगासर म्हारगायेन जाम जाल्या मोदी हो फक्त भायर फॉरेनाक भोंवत आसा, बरे बरे डिझायनर सूट घालता आणि कितलेशेच कोटी रुपया आज त्याच्या फॉरेन ट्रिप्साचेर खर्च जातात. जवळ जवळ 37 crores रुपीज आज त्याच्या फॉरेन ट्रिप्साचेर खर्च जाल्ले आसा. आणि हांव सरकाराक विनंती करता की तांच्यांनी सगळे कडधान्याचे जे रेट्स आसा ते कंट्रोलान हाडचे, कारण आता बेगीनूच चवथ आसा. तेन्ना तुमकां विनंती आसा की तुमी ह्या सगळे धान्य कमी रेटीन हांगासर लोकांक उपलब्ध करून दिवचे पडटली. ना जाल्यार तुमी जे आश्वासनां दिल्ली ताज्या खातीर तुमकां जनता कितें ती रोखडीच उत्तर दितली.
हो सरकार जो आसा तो व्हडल्या लोकांचोच, फक्त आजचे दिन व्हडल्या लोकांक आयला, बारीक लो इन्कम आणि मिडल क्लास लोकांक न्ही. कारण आज लायटीचे बिल मिनिमम पळोवपाक गेल्यार एक गरीबाक देखून 1000 येता.
Following government's go-ahead to 27% reservation in municipal polls, the OBCs are now demanding the 27% quota in the state assembly polls. Gomantak Bhandari Samaj welcomes state government's decision of 27% reservation to OBCs in the municipal polls. President of Samaj Anil Hoble demanded that the government must also conduct survey to give rights of land to those farmers who are tenants but don't possess the documents. Gomant Bhandari Samaj has convened a Mahamelawa on 4th October at Porvorim to discuss the issues.
आम्ही त्याचा पाठपुरावा करीत रावले. आम्ही सोशल वेलफेअर मिनिस्टराक मेळ्ळे आमी तेन्नाचो CM आतांचो रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकराकूय मेळ्ळे, मागीर आमच्या आमदारांक जे आमचे आमदार आसलेले दामू नायक आनी मागीर जो आतांचो आमचो विष्णू वाघ हांकां आमी असेंब्लीन काडीत रावपाक लायिल्ले आनी त्या प्रमाणे ते काडटाले आनी सरकार सदांच सांगतालो आमी करता म्हणून. आनी एकंदरीत फाटल्या दिसांनी आमकां 27% डिक्लेअर जाले आनी आतां तेंच्यांनी सगळे कडेन ते लावपाक केले. आनी ही मागणी आमची आसलेली एकंदरीत 27% रिजर्वेशन सगळ्या ओबीसींचे समाज आहा 19 जाती 19 जातीच्या लोकांक हे रिजर्वेशन मेळटले आनी मेळटा म्हणून म्हाका तेजी चडांत चड खुशी जाता. सरकाराक हांव चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जेचे कडेन पेपर ना, जेचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स ना आनी जो टेनंट म्हणून आयज पासून जालो ना ताका हेंच्यांनी व्हेरिफिकेशन करून सर्वे करून ताका टेनंट म्हणून डिक्लेअर करचो, तो शेतकरी म्हणून डिक्लेअर करचो, ताजो असं कसेल त्याची जमीन म्हणून ताका डिक्लेअर करचो, ते खंयच्याय माध्यमांतल्यान करूं.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.